to witness the greatest show of all time. Please welcome your host.
Alright, so isang magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Good morning everyone! And should I say good afternoon na rin po dahil pasado alas 12 na. And of course, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, syempre bago tayo tuluyang mag-umpisa ng ating program for this afternoon, nais ko lang sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga bisita. And I also want to check your vibe and your energy for this special event. So ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba makarinig po muna mula po sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan dyan! Woohoo! Yes! Ganyan naman. That's the spirit and that's the vibe I'm definitely looking for ngayong hapon because of course, diba? We are all here united together as one to celebrate one very special event for our newlyweds po ngayong hapon ito. And by the way, muli po, good afternoon once again to each and every one of our guests. And welcome aboard here at the Cool Waves Bulacan Water Park Resort dito po sa Bulacan, Bulacan. And tulad nga po ng sabi ko kanina, we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate the wedding reception this time of our newlyweds na sina Mr. and Mrs. Mendes. So excited na po ba kayo na makita sila? Actually, nakita nila sila kanina earlier. Pero syempre, we are about to change the vibe right now dahil reception part na po tayo. Pero bago nga tayo tumungo sa exciting part or the most anticipating highlight of our wedding event for this afternoon, nais ko lang po sana nakunin lamang po ang pagkakataong ito upang maipakilala muli sa inyong lahat ang ating mga ninong at ina, principal sponsors, and so as the parents of our couple. So muli po, tatawagin ko ang bawat isa. Pag narinig pong pangalan nila, kayo lang po ay tatayo at kakaway na parang artista. Yes, para po ma-acknowledge po tayo ng mga bisita natin and mapalakpakan din po, syempre, ng ating mga following guests. Alright, and of course, I think we're ready. Okay, wait na po. Ayun na, sige po, simulan ko muna agad-agad. With acknowledging the presence of our following ninongs and ninangs, or shall we call them as our principal sponsors? Palakpakan naman natin, starting up with Engineer Juanito Rapacon. Palakpakan naman natin, tayo na sir, natin si Ninong. Kawali ka naman Ninong. Good afternoon. Okay, and of course up next for our Nina, we have here Mrs. Nora Dakay. Good afternoon, madam. And of course up next, of course, for our Nino, we have here Mr. Poncho Esquita Jr. Hi. Hello po. Thank you so much. And of course, for our Nina, we have here Mrs. Lolita Navarro. Baka naman natin. Hi, Nina. And of course, for our next pair of our Ninos and Ninas, we have here Mr. Romeo Bautista. Hello, sir. And for our Nina, we have here Mrs. Eileen Motohashi. Hi, ma'am. Kaway ka naman ba dyan? For the audience. Hi. And of course, last but not the least, the last pair for our Ninos and Ninas, or the principal sponsors this afternoon. For our Nino, we have here Mr. Albert Junisho. And lastly, we have here Mrs. Rose Marie Victoria. Malakpakan naman natin. And of course, kung ipakilala mo na ang ating mga nagagandahan at mga nagwagapuhan nating Ninong at Nina, it's now time that I would also like to introduce you again to the parents and guardians po ng ating couple. Okay, let's begin with the parents muli of our agreement. Let's give it up to Mr. Romeo Malesio and Mrs. Christina Malesio. Kaway-kaway naman po. Hello po sa parents. Okay. And of course, on behalf of the parents of the bride, palakpakan naman natin Mr. Francisco Acoriza Jr. and of course, Mrs. Josephine Acoriza. On behalf of Ma'am Josephine, can you wave your hand for me? Palakpakan naman natin. Hello, muli, the parents of the bride and groom. Okay, thank you so much. And I think we're all set. Handa na po ba tayong lahat? Pero syempre, bago natin salubungin ang talagang highlight ng event natin ngayong hapon, may I request lang po ang bawat isa nating mga bisita to please rise. Tayo na po tayong lahat because I believe that it is now time that we are now going to welcome on the grand entrance of our couple. But wait lang po. Okay, paki-check niyo po muna mabuti ang inyong mga mesa. Kindly check your tables, everyone. I believe you are about to see from each table na isang kulay blue na napkin or panyo Kuha lang po kayo ng tag-isa. Ika-clarify ko lang po, lilinawin ko lang. Hindi niyo po yan ipapampunas or papampahid. So what you're going to do with that is like a props, okay? So, hawak mo pa nyo iyan. Igagawin niyo lang po dyan na itataas, wawagayway, habang tatawagin natin ating bagong kasal. And at the same time, pwede rin po kayong sumigaw to cheer the entrance of our couple. Shall we do one practice lang po one day? Ready? Kailangan kasi tingnan natin kung pasok na ba energy ng mga guests natin, okay? Wait lang po couple. Practice lang po tayo, Kuwari, ito na sila din. Wave your hands. Ikaw lang tayo ng malakas. Yung walang katapusang sigaw. Okay, ready? Okay, here we go. Mr. and Mrs. Melasho! Parang hindi na kailangan ng practice. Handa na sila. Pero, kung kaya natin doblehin or mas taas na ng energy sa pagdating nila, mas maganda and much better. I think we're all set and we're ready. Harap na po tayo sa may entrance because I believe some of you may already see them from afar. Alright? So I think we're all set and I guess everyone is ready. So brace yourselves everyone and get ready because ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only newlyweds or couple of the day, or should I say ang ating bagong kasal sa araw na ito. So one more time, ladies and gentlemen, let us over here on stage, Mr. and Mrs. Marvin and Yeska Joy Melasho! Alright, everyone please remain standing naman po. Hindi na tayo nakatayo. Bibilang lang po kung tatlo. Bibilang lang po ako. And on my count of 3, sabay-sabay naman natin isigaw ang kataga para po sa kanila na mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Sabahan niyo po ako. Ready? Here we go. And the 3, 2, 1. Everybody say! Mabuhay. Alright. So everybody, please remain standing lang po as we are about to formally continue on with our program. So manatili lang po ang bawat isa lang po na magsipag tayo upang tayo lang po ay makapag-pray. So we are about to have our opening prayer and the prayer before meal, of course, to be led by Anne Camille Victoria. Anne, please lead our prayer. Good afternoon all.
Tayo po ay lumito. Amang makapangyarihan. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa araw nito na iyong ipinagkaloob. Salamat po sa pagkakataon na kami ay magsama-sama upang saksihan at ipagdiwang ang banal na mag-iisang dibdib ni Yeska at Marvin. Panginoon, patnubayan po ninyo ang mag-asawa sa kanilang bagong yugto ng buhay. Gawain punuin ninyo ang kanilang pagsasama ng pag-ibig, patunawa at pagtitiyaga sa isa't isa. Palakasin po ninyo sila sa oras ng pagsubok at patuloy na pagyamanin ang kanilang puso sa bawat araw na magkasama sila. Basbasan po ninyo ang aming pagtitipon ngayon mula sa simula hanggang sa pagtatapos upang ang lahat ng aming gagawin sa sasabihin ay magbigay papuri at kalwalhatian sa inyong pangalan. Ito po ang aming dalangin sa pangalan ng Jesus.
Thank you so much, everyone. Maraming salamat po. We can now take your seats. Maupo na po tayong lahat. And let's enjoy the rest of our program that we prepared for all of you only here at Mr. and Mrs. Melasho's wedding reception. So muli po isang magandang po muli sa ating lahat. And before we continue on with the program for this afternoon, please allow me to introduce myself first. Muli po isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. And my name is Host Riza from Chels Event and Catering Services. And it's such an honor and also a dear pleasure to be your host and singer at the same time for Mr. and Mrs. Melasho's wedding reception. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Hello po! Of course, Mr. and Mrs. Melasho, our couple. Hello po sa inyong dalawa. And of course, on behalf of everybody na nandito po ngayong hapon, nais na po namin kayong batiin muli na best wishes and congratulations. I have one question na po sa